In this video, we will create a MySQL database and user in ISP-config control panel. Click on the Sites link from the top menu. On the side menu, click on the Databases link to see the existing databases and usage. Before you can create a database, you need to create a user, because during the database creation process, it will ask for the username. So let us first create a username. For that, click on Add New User. If you have multiple clients, you need to select here. In this case, we don't have any client accounts, so leave it default, the empty. Enter the database username here, and you need to generate a password. Click on this generate password button to generate a password. You need to copy the password and keep it safe for future use. Click on save. We have the username created here. It will add C0 for the customer 0. If you have multiple customer account, then this C0 will be changed. Next, we need to create the database. Click on Databases, Add New Database. Under the Sites drop down box, the Select Sites, you need to select the website for which you need to create the database for. Then you need to enter the database name here. This will create a database name with this format: C, then client ID. In this case, it will be C0 uWealth. Now here you have to select the database user. We have created a database user, that is C0 uWealth. Then you can scroll down and save. If you want the remote access, you can enable it here. There are some other options like a read-only database access. We don't need that. A database char set. This also you can have the default unless you need anything specific. A remote access allow you to connect from a different server or from your local computer. If you want to limit the remote MySQL access from specific IP, you can specify the IPs in remote access IPs text box. Click on save. This will create the database. If you want to change password for a database user, click on the database users link on the left menu. On this page, you will see all the database users available. Click on the pen icon on the right side of the username. To change the password, enter the password under database password text field and repeat password, then click save.